know, I am the bargain bunner. I can't talk. My goodness. I am the bargain hunter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Tennessee girl in Texas, and my name is Wendy, and I'm coming to you today with a makeup one. I got a few on a sprinkle here and there, but if you saw by the thumbnail, you know what it is, or you may not know what it is. I'm going to try to hold it up in the box and not make a mess. Now, this is how big the box is. And this is me. I'll make sure I don't dox myself. That would not be nice. Okay, there we go. There we go. Look at what I got. This is Coca-Cola by Glamlight. Okay. This has been out for quite some time. You know, I am the bargain hunter. And I always will be. I love makeup. And y'all know I love mystery toys. Let me see if I can bring my table a little closer. I love mystery toys. I love unboxing for you guys. I love unboxing with you guys with Hubby Dave. We love gaming. So, you know, we're just out. Middle-aged company. Lord have mercy. We are a middle-aged couple. Or maybe even older couple. Because really our children are bumping middle age themselves, whether they want to admit it or not. So I guess that means me and Hubby Dave are old. But anyway, I love a bargain. I always have. Even when it comes to makeup, I'm just like the everyday person. I will buy makeup that I like. If I go to Walgreens, and I always walk down the makeup aisle because you never know what new and stuff may be out. If I see something that's on clearance, I'm going to grab it. CVS, same thing. Big Lots, I look, I might get. But then, you know, I started getting into more of these Glamlight and ColourPop and Medusa's makeup sites. Looking actually for the mystery boxes because that's where my true love is mystery boxes. I love mystery makeup boxes. But, you know, I started noticing, I'm sorry, forgot all about Glam. Started noticing they started putting together, like, PR boxes that you could buy of a collection that they've come up with whether it's a cartoon, it's a person, or in this case, it's going to be Coca-Cola. And I think they got Twilight out. I think they're getting ready, what is the one? Lord of the Rings, I think, on Glamlight is about to, it's on pre-order or something along those lines. I don't want to call myself cheap, because I'm not cheap, but I'm very money conscious, so I am not going to go running to get the Twilight when it first comes out, and it costs $150, $70. No. Is it worth it? Probably, because I do love Glamlight makeup. No problems wearing it, doesn't break me out, love it. But I always go to the sale items and things like that. So I go look at their older PRs. And they may be 6, 8 year and a half. I mean, some collections, you know, don't sell out easy and has to get clearanced a lot so that they can make room for new stuff. And I think that's what's going on with this Coca-Cola. Because I about guarantee you when it came out, it was probably $100 item. I did not pay that. I paid $48, and as of me taping this today, which means you'll just have to go check if you're interested. They may or may not have any left. But I paid $48. $48 for what I'm about to show you. And they sent me a free gift along with it, which is cool, which is, and it's so funny because they don't know me, but Garfield was one of my favorite characters when I was growing up. So it's kind of cool. This looks like it's a donut care lip care duo. So that's kind of cool. Now this video, believe it or not, won't be as long unless I get talkity yappity, which I probably will. Because I showed this to Hubby Dave, and he was so impressed by this that he said, Wendy, you really don't need to do anything with it. You don't need to use it. Don't wear it. Don't swatch it. You can show it, but keep it in its box. Keep it protected. Coca-Cola tends to go collectible. And I'm like, you know what? He's right. He has a lot of himself that is Coca-Cola got their fingers in the pie. Such as, y'all know I'm a Tennessee girl in Texas, so I go Vols. You know, I'm into football, college football. We won the 1998 championship. Coca-Cola did a 6-pack of glass bottles that was dedicated to that. Yeah, we got it. It's collectibles. NASCAR, Coca-Cola, whatever they got their hand in the pie with, collectible. So I think I agree with him. So I'm not going to swatch it. I'm not going to use it. I'm almost tempted to buy a second one so I can use it. But I'm going to put this back and, you know, pass it along to a granddaughter. And, you know, she can do with what she feels like if she wants to use it. You know, it is eye makeup. So I know there is a shelf life. So it may be to the point that, well, it's just a collector's item. I don't know. I kind of forgot about the shelf life thing, and it's only going to be good, the powders and stuff, eyeshadows, for a couple of 3 years. So I have to think about that. But for right now, I'm hanging on. I'm not swatching, I'm not using. But I do want to show you what I got for $48. So this is the it's a gorgeous box, is it not? And of course it's got the magnetic opening closures. So I like to get right here. Let me bring it up a little bit. Boop. Alrighty, so now let's see it. It is so big. Okay, I'm going to read to you what's in there. I am going to take it out and show it to you to the best of my ability, if I can do it without tearing anything up. But let me put you down right here in the box. Okay. And let me read what it says it comes with. You've got an original palette. You've got the cherry palette. You've got the original lip gloss set. And then you got a cherry lip gloss set. Then you got a highlighter. So, let's take this out. This is so cute. It's like a little Coca-Cola can. Look here. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? I want to get in there and play with this so bad. I do. I've just about talked myself into buying another one. Oh my goodness gracious. Glamlite, call me. Call me. I'd love to be on your PR team. I know we don't have a lot, but the team that we do have, the community that we have, they're great. Okay, I'll quit plugging myself. Anyway, this is the cherry palette. So let me make sure I got. Oh my! That one's even more. Oh my goodness! It is gorgeous. Ah! I was trying to keep that from happening, but since it did, let me do it this way, and then I'll put it back up. This way you all can see really well. So let me get it up here. Okay. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me grab the other one real quick, but we'll take it off. Well, we'll let it fall off, maybe. Maybe. There it goes. I love it. I love both of them for different reasons. Oh, wow. Let me make sure I got this on here the right way. Okay, first you have to turn it the right way. There we go. Now, there's no way I can read these little fine writings on the back, and I'm not even going to try. So, this is the original, and it went in this slot. Okay, and this is the cherry, and it went in that slot. Now, the middle slot is going to be the highlighter. So, is this oh, it's clamshell. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is beautiful. I want to touch it. Oh my God. I want to touch you so bad. Okay. We're not going to. We're going to be good. Alright, that was the highlighter. And now we're going to get these cans out. This is the original can. I'm going to show it first. That is so cute. Okay, now, how do we get into it? Okay, Alright, looks like we've got a set of 3. So, we've got this. I'm trying to get in here so I know that y'all can see. Those 2. And then let's go with the back. Wow, those are nice. They're sticked inside the can. They're so cool. I'm just color me amazed. And yes, I know it doesn't take much to amaze me. I'm a simple kind of woman. But would y'all have it any other way? Oh, alright, here's the cherry one. It's so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it's almost windy proof. Okay, oh, I didn't notice the other. It's got a protective. So let's bring. Oh, my. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, I want them. Well, I already have them, but you know what I mean. Okay, I'm going to have to do some studying on whether I'm going to use them or if I'm going to buy another one. I don't know. That's something. Help me out in the comments, guys. Of course, by the time you comment and I get this put up, there may not be any more to buy if I haven't bought another one already. But put down in the comments what you think. Let me know what you think about the collection. Let me know what you think about the price I paid, which was $48. Let me know what you think about the company Glamlight. I love them. I am actually, today I won a Kiss makeup set from a fellow creator. And today's eye look is from the Kiss sets, and that came from Glamlight. So I love everything Glamlight does. I like what she Glam does too, but she glams another day. We got some stuff coming up on that one. But that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by and listening and watching. Make sure and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Ring that bell so you know the next time I upload a video. Make sure that you are subscribed. Tell your friends, your family, your kids, your grandkids, your aunts, your uncles, your next door neighbors. Share, share, share. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers. We'll have us a nice giveaway then. And I have some other things planned. So we just got to keep growing our numbers, which we are. This is a great community, and I just love you all. And since I put everything in the box, we're going to go out with the box. Let me get her bubbles out of her, and we will just use this to go out with. And thank you guys for stopping by again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.